Arc welding is a welding process that is used to join metal to metal by using electricity to create enough heat to melt metal, and the melted metal, when the cool, result in a binding of the metals. Arc welding is one of the several fusion processes for joining metals. By applying intense heat, metal at joint between two parts is melted and caused to intermix directly, or more commonly with an intermediate molten filler metal. Upon cooling and solidification, a metallurgical bond is created. Since the joining is an intermixture of metals, the final weldment potentially has the same strength properties as the metal of the parts. A problem that arises in arc welding is the contamination of the metal with elements in the atmosphere like oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, etc. There can also be a problem with the surface that is not cleaned. The solution to this includes flux and gas shielding. Flux, a material that is added to clean the surface, may also give off a gas to drive away unwanted gases. And gas shields, an inert gas is blown into the weld zone to drive away other atmospheric gases. An AC or DC power sources fitted with whatever controls may be needed is connected by work cable to the workpiece and by an electrode cable to the electrode holder of some type, which makes electrical contact with the welding electrode. An arc is created across the gap when the energized circuit and the electrode tip touches the workpiece and is withdrawn at still within close contact. The arc produces a temperature of about 6500 degrees centigrade at the tip. This heat melts both the base metal and the electrode, producing a pool of molten metal, sometimes called a crater. The crater solidifies behind the electrode as it is moved along the joint. This result is a fusion bond. The main parts of arc welding are welding machine, electrode holder, electrode, hand gloves, goggles, aprons, chipping hammer, and wire brush. Welding machine. Power is supplying from direct board to welding machine through electrode cable to electrode holder. Electrode holder. The function is to hold the electrode. Electrode. This electrode creates a spark when contacting the work. Hand gloves. While performing welding operations, safety comes first. So, for the hand, we use here hand gloves. Goggles. As the welding operation temperature is too high, we can see the operation with the naked eye, but after some time, the eye get damaged. Therefore, we use goggles. Aprons. Aprons are like cloths. We wear this for safety purposes. Chipping hammer. A chipping hammer is a tool used to remove welding slag from a weld. Wire brush. To remove unwanted material from the welded workpiece, that is slag, we use a wire brush. Working principle. The working principle of arc welding is, in a welding process, the heat can be generated with an electric arc strike among the workpiece as well as an electrode. This is flowing electrical discharge among two electrodes throughout ionized gas. The advantages of arc welding. The process gives high deposition rate, welding speed is high, wire consumption is low, the consumption of electrical energy is low, as a maximum 97% of heat energy can be utilized. Any length can be welded without any interruption. High quality belts are achieved. Disadvantages of arc welding. High skilled operator required to perform an operation. Arc is invisible. It can be controlled only by measuring arc voltage and current. It can be used only in the downhand welding position. Applications of arc welding: construction industries, shipbuilding, farm equipment, lawn and garden, highway equipments, institutional equipments, railways departments, and there are various other places there also this arc welding is used.